Alright guys, so welcome back to the part 2 of the DJI drone crash. So I let it dry out all night long in front of a fan and everything else, took the battery out trying to keep this thing where I know it would do good and go ahead and dry out correctly. I have it right here. So as you can see, the picture's still fine. I can see everything. It's all the way powered back up. You see all the lights back on it. Lights blinking on the propellers, on the wings below the propellers. Gimbal and everything seems to be trying to stay right. So let's see what happens.
Take off.
Pretty loud, but it's pretty stationary. Everything looks like it's doing good. Let's go ahead and put it for a test run and see what the camera looks like on the other side.